Good day. Due to bank laws and regulations here in the Philippines, we cannot provide the username and password of the actual account we are using in the live application. For this release 6.0, first, let's go through with the existing features of VYBE. From fresh login, the user will be asked to input his existing BPI online credentials, username, and password. After clicking logging in, the user will receive an SMS OTP sent to his registered mobile number. By clicking submit, the user will be authenticated and will be able to log in successfully. After successful authentication of his existing BPI online credentials, the user will have to input its MPIN that is already linked to his existing mobile number. By inputting the MPIN, the user will be redirected to the homepage of the VYBE app. Here, you can see the summary or overview of the VYBE e-wallet and BPI rewards. If you can scroll here, we will have the trending deals and featured rewards available for the consumers or users to redeem using his BPI reward points. First, let's focus on the VYBE e-wallet feature. On the VYBE e-wallet feature, the user can either perform send money, request money, cash out, send to bank, buy load, and pay bills. For send money, this is actually a VYBE to VYBE send money transaction. So here, we will be asking the user to tap or scan an existing VYBE QR that he wants to send his money. Upon successful scanning of the QR, the user will have to input its amount that he wants to send to this VYBE mobile number. By clicking next, the user will be redirected to the pre-confirmation page, and then upon tapping send money, the transaction should redirect to the successful confirmation page on the send money transaction. Another feature that we have on the VYBE e-wallet is the cash out. For the cash out, the user has an option to either transfer directly to his account his existing money and either perform a cardless withdrawal. For the send to bank, the user has an option to scan the QR or to send money to different InstaPay supported banks. If the user taps a valid QR or scans a valid QR, the user will just have to input the existing amount or the amount that he wants to send it. By inputting his MPIN, the user confirms that he wants to perform this transaction. After successful transaction, the user will be prompted with the successful confirmation page of his transaction. Another new feature that we have for the VYBE release 6.0 is the buy load. So here, the user can perform and can now buy prepaid load using the VYBE app and choose from more than 150 telco and non-telco prepaid options. So the user will just have to select his preferred telco provider and then choose from the list of a lot of SKUs or prepaid SKUs that he wants to load. By choosing his preferred SKU, the user will have to input the target mobile number for the account. By clicking pay, the user confirms his transaction and will be able to proceed with the successful buy load transaction. Next feature that we have is the pay bills. So the pay bills can allows the consumer to pay on the list of selected billers that are available in the VYBE app. So for this one, we'll perform a transaction on the signal, cable, and internet pay bills. So the user will just have to input its 10-digit Signal account mobile number, inputs its account name, and the amount he wants to pay. By clicking next, the user confirms that he wants to perform the transaction on the pay bills. And then by clicking pay now, upon successful payment, the user will be redirected to the successful transaction. Here, the user can also check all of his recent activities from all of the e-wallet transactions that he performed. We also have the notification feature or page wherein we inform the customer on all of his unsuccessful and successful e-wallet transactions. Next thing we want to focus is more on the BPI rewards redemption. So here, the user can see his available BPI reward points which he can use to redeem a different set of rewards. So right now, for the BPI rewards, we partnered up with the giveaway for us to be able to have a lot or broad list of all of the merchants or rewards that are available for users to redeem. So here, we have the all rewards page which displays all of the list of available rewards that you can redeem. And by tapping the tile, the user will be redirected to the rewards details page. Here we have the amount or the points that is required to be able to redeem this reward. We also have the highlights, the terms and conditions for this reward, and actually the images. By tapping redeem reward, the user confirms that he wants to redeem these specific rewards. Upon successful redemption of the reward, the user will be redirected to the My Rewards page where he can view all of his active and available rewards. So on this recent reward that we redeemed, the user will just have to click the Use Reward to be able to view the voucher ID or the voucher code of its reward itself. Here, available also are the list of all the redeemed and expired rewards that the user can check. We also have right now the trending deals that is available for user to redeem, and also the featured rewards that we just made available, or the newest or the top rewards that is available for consumer to redeem. We also have this carousel banners where we promote different campaigns from BPI. And by tapping this, the user will be redirected to a specific page. We also have an option on the main page to select the QR. By tapping the QR, the user will just have to scan any valid QR to be able to perform the transaction. By inputting the MPIN, the user confirms the transaction on the send money by using the selected QR that he performed. And we also have the profile page wherein the user can see his account details and also the referral code. On the settings, the user can also enroll the biometrics option on every successful bank transfer and also change MPIN transaction. Upon clicking sign up, the user will be signed up to the VYBE app. Hope this helps.